So a lot of DJs I talk to ask me about contracts. Should I have a contract? What kind of a contract should I have? What should I put in my contract? Well, I'll tell you what I always say, or the first thing I always say. Hi again, it's Bill. Creative License is the little show. Thanks again for tuning in to my little dog and pony show. If you would like to thank me, thank my sponsors. People like Electro Voice and Electro Voice speakers and microphones, best stuff in the country. Promo Only. If you don't have a music service for your DJ company, you should use Promo Only. They're the best. The best. I use them myself. DJ Event Planner. It's a CRM for people specifically in the DJ world, designed by someone in the DJ world. My friend Troy Ackerman. Pretty amazing. And of course, DJNTV and the DJNTV DJ show in Las Vegas coming up in February 24th, 25th, and 26th. Yeah, right, no, or yeah, it's right around then. And by the way, if you look below, you see a little code come up. Use that code when you order your tickets for that little show. It's in conjunction with the Photo Booth Expo. And I will be there as the Master of Ceremonies, as well as an amazing group of presenters, way more than you would ever think. John has really gone all out to bring DJNTV out from behind the screen, out of the pages of his magazine, and onto a stage. So be sure to go there. I hope I see you when you go. Anyway, on to contracts. Contracts, you can get some pretty good basic legalese contracts places on the internet, and that's good, okay? But a contract and an agreement with a client is supposed to be the kind of thing that is good for you and for the client. It should protect the client as much as it does you, and many people have contracts that just don't do that. I don't know how to tell you this, but your contract is only as good as the skin you have in the game. And people are starting to pay closer attention. So if you don't do something for your client, if you don't protect your client as much as you're protecting your own butt, then they're gonna see that and they're gonna move on. And one of the best ways I found to put skin in the game in my contracts is that I have a full money back guarantee. And I don't get real specific about how they're going to get their money back or why they're going to get their money back. They get to choose. In other words, what I'm saying to them is, if you're unhappy, ask for your money back and I'll give it to you. Period. Now, I will tell you that my attorney hates that contract, hates that clause, doesn't want me to use it. But when you're a single operator like me and you live and die by your reputation, the last thing you want because of a mistake is people out tarnishing your reputation. And it's a small price to pay if you've done a poor job to give them their money back, to be sure that your reputation as an amazing service provider and performer stays intact. Now that's my biggest skin in the game, okay? My reputation and my entire paycheck. And many of you know I don't charge a little amount of money. You know, one contract, one money back guarantee that I have to give back can take away most of, at least a fourth of my pay for the month. Okay, sometimes more. So that skin in the game makes sure that I do everything necessary to make sure that whatever I do for them is amazing. The skin in the game they have is they have to pay you. They have to make things available to you to be able to do your job. They have to do those things if they want an amazing job from you. But oftentimes people just put in their contracts the stuff that the client has to do and nothing about what you have to do. Mostly because I think many of us show up and figure it out when we get there. Not the worst idea, but not really the best idea either. You want to up your game? Up your contract. This is Bill. This is Creative License, and I'll see you next week.